What is the function of the esophagus? Your options are absorbing nutrients, transporting food, digesting food, or storing food. The correct answer is B, that is transporting food. The esophagus is a muscular tube that transports food from the throat, that is pharynx, to the stomach through peristaltic movements. Question number 2. Where is the esophagus located? Your options are thoracic cavity, abdominal cavity, pelvic cavity, or oral cavity. The correct answer is A, that is thoracic cavity. The esophagus passes through the thoracic cavity, running behind the trachea and in front of the spine, leading into the stomach. Question number 3. What type of muscle is found in the upper third of the esophagus? Your options are smooth muscle, skeletal muscle, cardiac muscle, or mixed muscle. The correct answer is B, that is skeletal muscle. The upper third of the esophagus contains skeletal muscle, which allows voluntary control during the initiation of swallowing. Question number 4. The movement of food down to the esophagus is called digestion, respiration, peristalsis, or mastication. The correct answer is C, that is peristalsis. Peristalsis refers to the rhythmic contraction of the muscles in the esophagus that push food toward the stomach. Question number 5. Which layer of the esophagus contains the mucosa? Your options are submucosa, adventitia, muscularis externa, or inner layer. The correct answer is D, that is inner layer. The inner lining of the esophagus is the mucosa, which protects the esophagus from abrasive action of food. Question number 6. Hello friends, welcome back to Dear Competitive Exam YouTube channel. Today you are attending 50 most repeated and most important question answer session based on esophagus, which is the part of human digestive system. And this is the part 1 of this series. So let's challenge your quality of learning. Let's see what will be your score out of 50 from this part 1. So do watch this video completely to make yourself more fit to answer any kind of question. And at the end, if you find this video helpful, then please do like, subscribe and share this video to all your friends who are preparing for upcoming any kinds of medical exams. Let's continue. Question number 6. Which structure prevents food from entering the trachea? Your options are epiglottis, pharynx, glottis, or uvula. The correct answer is A, that is epiglottis. The epiglottis is a flap of tissue that closes over the trachea during swallowing to prevent food from entering the airway. Question number 7. The esophagus is part of which system? Your options are respiratory system, nervous system, digestive system, or circulatory system. The correct answer is C, that is digestive system. The esophagus is a part of the digestive system, responsible for moving food from the stomach, from the mouth to the stomach. Question number 8. What separates the esophagus from the stomach? Your options are pyloric sphincter, lower esophageal sphincter LAS, upper esophageal sphincter, or duodenum. The correct answer is B, that is lower esophageal sphincter LAS. The LES, that is lower esophageal sphincter, prevents the backflow of stomach contents into the esophagus, playing a key role in preventing the acid reflux. Question number 9. What is the common condition associated with the malfunction of the lower esophageal sphincter? Your options are gastroesophageal reflux disease GERD, ulcerative colitis, Crohn's disease, or diverticulitis. The correct answer is A, that is gastroesophageal reflux disease GERD. GERD, that is gastroesophageal reflux disease, occurs when the LES fails to close properly, allowing stomach acid to flow back into the esophagus. Question number 10. The esophagus passes through which opening in the diaphragm? Your options are aortic hiatus, esophageal hiatus, foramen oval, or caval opening. The correct answer is B, that is esophageal hiatus. The esophagus passes through the esophageal hiatus, an opening in the diaphragm that allows the esophagus to connect to the stomach. Question number 11. Which part of the esophagus is lined with stratified squamous epithelium? Your options are entire esophagus, only the upper third, only the middle third, or only the lower third. The correct answer is A, that is entire esophagus. The entire esophagus is lined with stratified squamous epithelium to protect against mechanical stress from ingested food. Question number 12. Which blood vessel supplies the esophagus? Your options are aorta, coronary artery, or esophageal arteries. The correct answer is D, that is esophageal arteries. The esophagus receives blood supply primarily from the esophageal arteries, which branch off from the aorta. Question number 13. Which nerve innervates the esophagus? phrenic nerve, vagus nerve, hypoglossal nerve, or sciatic nerve? The correct answer is B, that is vagus nerve. The vagus nerve provides parasympathetic innervation to the esophagus, controlling the smooth muscles involved in peristalsis. Question number 14. Which condition involves the narrowing of the esophagus? Your options are achalasia, esophageal stenosis, GERD, or Barrett's esophagus. The correct answer is B, that is esophageal stenosis. The esophageal stenosis refers to the abnormal narrowing of the esophagus, which can lead to difficulty in swallowing. Question number 15. What is the Barrett's esophagus? Your options are a type of cancer, inflammation of the esophagus, precancerous condition, or scar formation in the esophagus. The correct answer is C, that is precancerous condition. Barrett's esophagus is a condition where the normal squamous epithelium is replaced with the columnar epithelium, increasing the risk of esophageal cancer. Question number 16. Achalasia is characterized by relaxation of the LES, failure of the LES to relax, hypercavity of esophageal muscles, or absence of peristalsis. The correct answer is B, that is failure of the LES to relax. Achalasia is a condition where the lower esophageal sphincter fails to relax, leading to difficulty swallowing and food retention in the esophagus. Question number 17. Which condition is characterized by the abnormal connection between the esophagus and trachea? Your options are tracheoesophageal fistula, GERD, esophageal varices, or hiatal hernia. The correct answer is A, that is tracheoesophageal fistula. A tracheoesophageal fistula is an abnormal connection between the trachea and the esophagus, which can lead to aspiration of food and fluids. Question number 18. What is the usual cause of esophageal varices? Your options are heartburn, liver cirrhosis, esophageal cancer, or GERD. The correct answer is B, that is liver cirrhosis. Esophageal varices are swollen veins in the esophagus caused by increased pressure in the portal vein, commonly due to liver cirrhosis. Question number 19. Which of the following is a symptom of esophageal cancer? Your options are difficulty swallowing, skin rash, loss of vision, or frequent urination? The correct answer is A, that is difficulty swallowing. Dysphagia, difficulty swallowing, is a common symptom of esophageal cancer, which can occur as a tumor obstructs the passage of food. Question number 20. What is the lining of the esophagus made of? Your options are simple cuboidal epithelium, stratified squamous epithelium, columnar epithelium, or transitional epithelium. The correct answer is B, that is stratified squamous epithelium. The esophagus is lined with stratified squamous epithelium, which is thick and durable to withstand the friction of food passing through. Question number 21. Which of the following is a protective mechanism of the esophagus against acid reflux? Your options are pyloric sphincter, mucus secretion, increased peristalsis, or higher pH. The correct answer is B, that is mucus secretion. The esophagus secretes mucus to protect its lining from the acidic contents of the stomach that might reflux into it. Question number 22. Which layer of the esophagus contains blood vessels and nerves? Your options are mucosa, submucosa, muscularis externa, or adventitia. The correct answer is B, that is submucosa. The submucosa is the layer that contains blood vessels, lymphatics, and nerves, supporting the mucosa and regulating its functions. Question number 23. Which condition is caused by the stomach pushing through the esophageal hiatus? Your options are GERD, achalasia, hiatal hernia, or esophageal varices. The correct answer is C, that is hiatal hernia. The hiatal hernia occurs when the part of the stomach pushes upward through the diaphragm's esophageal hiatus, sometimes leading to acid reflux. Question number 24. The term esophageal motility refers to? Options are the process of digestion, movement of food along the esophagus, acid production, or LES relaxation. The correct answer is B, that is movement of food along the esophagus. Esophageal motility refers to the coordinated movements of the muscles in the esophagus that move food from the throat to the stomach. Question number 25. Which of the following is true about the esophagus? Options are it digests the food, it is a muscular tube, it absorbs nutrients, or it produces digestive enzymes. The correct answer is it is a muscular tube. The esophagus is a muscular tube whose main function is to transport food from the mouth to the stomach. time is to comment your score out of 30 questions. And friends, thanks for joining us on this exciting journey. If you enjoyed the quiz and learned something new, then give us a thumbs up and let us know in the comment section. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our upcoming exploration of fascinating topics in the medical field. Until the next time, stay curious, stay healthy. See you.